Alright, so today I'm gonna be working on my truck again, and I've got these rust holes in my bed. Little one here, these here, and usually there'd be bolt holes right here, but it's all rusted out around there. And I have 4 bolts in it, and they're it's sturdy. It doesn't need the 2 more, so I'm just gonna patch these closed. I have these panels from a different truck that I cut out. Same ridge pattern. So also right here is starting to go through. So I'm starting with this spot here. I've got sharpied out the area that needs to come out, and so I'm gonna cut that away, and then we'll go from there. So I've cut the first spot out. Also noticed I got really close to cutting into the gas tank, but we're good. See how it looks under here. It's actually not rust under there on that side. That's good. There is a little bit over there. All right, well, I'm gonna make a piece with this right here. This should be wide enough. Yeah, okay, so just about perfect. This will be right here. If I need to do a little gap welding, I will, but I'm gonna take this piece here, trace it onto here, and then I'll cut this to size. Alright, so I've got this piece that fits in here good. What I realized is there was this piece I had lying around that's supposed to be under here to support that bolt, and the head came off because it was on the piece that was rusted off, so I just welded that on there, and this will just sit on there so it'll add more support, so it doesn't flex at all here. Alright, so I've got it tacked in here a little bit. Alright, here's where we're at now. It's taken a while because the metal's so thin it's melting away, so it's having to patch that. It's not pretty, but I'll grind it down and paint it and stuff when it's done, so it won't look terrible, I guess. But it's mainly about, you know, stuff not falling through the bottom of my bed anymore, so yeah. Alright, I'm basically done besides right there, which is really thin, and over here, which is also thin, which I might put pieces of metal over, which I'll continue tomorrow. So this is the first patch. Looks pretty good. Obviously I'll grind that down and paint it, but yeah, looks good in there. Ridges line up. They also make patch panels I've seen online for like 35 bucks. You can get a big square that matches the ridges, but I had access to an old F350 that's been sitting for a while, but the bed's not rotted out in all the spots, so I was able to do that.